Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best live TV and live sports apps to your Firesticks or Android TVs. The app is totally free to use and pretty easy to set up. And now without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your device. And first of all, you gotta get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up to your Firestick. So in order to set up Downloader, you have to go to the settings, and then you scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, what you gotta do is turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, because it is really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of applications on your Firestick device. Here it is, we open it. And when it loads, you'll see the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight back into the list of applications on your Firestick device, then locate Downloader and open it up on your Fire TV Stick. And now here what you gotta do is open that search bar, and now we gotta start entering a link, which is gonna be hdstreams.live. So don't worry, let's enter that together. Once again, it's hdstreams.live. So here we go, there's the link. You can see it on your screen right now, so just make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously if you make a mistake, then your code is not going to work. After that, you'll have to click on Go, And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And here, when the website has opened, you just have to scroll down a bit until you see that download Android TV button. So you will click on it and then press on download direct right here. So we'll click on download direct, and now the download of the app is going to start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click on install and just wait for the app to finally get installed on your Fire TV Stick device. And after the app is installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, what you gotta do is click on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you'll open it and find the app which we just downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So you click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the application. And now from here you get access to a lot of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, and so on. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.